A very good morning to you, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed your previous class and have recalled all the tasks we have done in our previous class. Today, I will let you know how to insert sound clip to your presentation. To add a sound clip to your slide, we need to click on the Insert tab first. From the media group, we have to click on the audio option. You can see three sub options are here. The first one is online audio. With the help of this, we can insert an audio from internet. The second one is audio on my PC. With this option, we can insert the audio we have stored in our computer. And with the third option, that is record audio, you can insert your own voice, own record voice to your slide. So I'm choosing the second one, that is audio on my PC. The insert audio dialog box has appeared in front of us. Four options are here. I'm choosing the fourth option, that is twinkle twinkle, and clicking on the insert button. You can see an sound icon has come in the middle of the slide. I'm holding the icon and dragging it to the corner of the slide. You can take the icon anywhere you want. Now I'm playing the music. I have stopped the music. You can see two more options, format and playback, under audio tools. The playback tab has the audio options group, which has option to control how to the audio file will play. As I'm choosing here the play in background option, so that the sound I have inserted will play at the background of my slide. Now I'm playing the slideshow. Now we will insert our own sound. That means the record sound. Clicking on the audio option from the media group again, and now we will click on record audio. The record sound dialog box will appear like this. The first option is for playing the audio. The second option is for pausing or stopping the audio, and the third option is to record your own voice or audio. I'm clicking on the record button or record option to record my own sound. Follow the process carefully. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up over the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now I'm clicking on the stop button, and now OK. And the recorded sound is here. Playing the sound. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up over the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. This much for today. If you have computer system in your home, practice this. Take care. Thank you.